right. So let's look at this work and see what you guys think. Thank you to Ryan, Alexi, and Johnny on this. They picked the tech support specialist senior job, and they identify over here, they say it really nicely, the maximum wage in US dollars as a tech support specialist senior can earn per hour is $30.12. Do you agree with them in terms of that verbal statement there? Did they get it right? Yeah, they nailed it right here. So this is really good. So they had noted what they were looking for, maximum hourly wage, and they noticed that even though there's a range here, the maximum they can earn is $30.12. Let's now check the other pieces to see if they align with this statement, okay? So let's look at this table here. They plugged in some values here, 1 hour, 2 hours, and then they jumped to 40 hours. But they noticed here that the output is $30.12 every time. They've labeled up here hours is represented by H. The maximum wage is represented by M. Does this table align with what they wrote verbally? Yeah, so there's some strong alignment here. And that's a great thing you can do as you work through these types of problems. You represent a function one way, check to see how it looks when you represent another way and make sure they all align. Now let's go over here to their graph. Let's see. Okay, I see the H here. They've labeled this horizontal axis, hours is H, which matches up over here. That's good. They've written here maximum wage is M. So they labeled that, excuse me, they labeled that axis. We've got $30.12, and then they've got this horizontal line. Does that seem to match up what they have on their table? Does that match up what they had in the words? Okay, so we're seeing some really strong alignment here. The last thing we need is an equation. And they've written it as M of H equals $30.12. What do you think? No one's gonna make a comment? Good? Yes? No?
I think we did right.
Give them some props. If you think it's good? Okay, this is an appropriate way. You can write it like that. There's some pros and cons to writing it in this kind of condensed notation, but it is an acceptable way to do it. M of H equals 30.12. Okay.